4 cooking grates. 784-inch 2 of total cooking area. Charcoal and ash management system includes charcoal chamber, charcoal grate and removable ash pan. Protect your smoker with a custom-fit Dyna-Glo premium cover, model DG780BDC-D, sold separately. Stainless temperature gauge with smoke zone indicates the ideal temperature for infusing smoke flavor. Top reviews from the United States. Use every weekend. Got this for my husband as an anniversary gift back in March. He loves it and has been using it almost every weekend. It still looks great and is holding up well. Other reviewers had recommended putting sealant around the doors. We have not found that to be necessary as there has been a beautiful smoke ring around every slab of meat we put in it. Love the convenience of the 2 doors. Really helps with maintaining the smoke and temperature. It is a bit large for a family of 3, but we wanted a smoker wide enough that we could smoke a whole rack of ribs. I recommend this smoker to others.